Hey guys, it's Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and I'm participating in the Look for Less May 2019 challenge hosted by Yami, the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Casey at Coffee with My Sunshine. I will link these two ladies' channel down below along with the playlist so you can see what everyone else has created this month. I'm excited to participate today, and my dupe is an item from Birch Lane, so we'll get right to the DIY, and I hope you enjoy this video today. Thank you so much in advance for watching. So the picture on the right is from Birch Lane, and it is $89.99. Mine is on the left and costs $4. So I'll be attempting to recreate a boat from Birch Lane. This platter, I'm sorry I painted everything and didn't shoot the video, but it is from Dollar Tree, and actually the sales first were made from this sign right here. But the platter you see here is one of those that have all the pink flamingos on it. I'll try to find a picture and insert it. But I'm also using one of the really long skewers from Dollar Tree, and I have spray painted the platter and the sign white, and I do go back in and paint the sails gold. I'll be using hot glue and fix-all glue from Dollar General. This item was pretty challenging. I had to take it apart a couple of times to get it like I wanted it. And it's not exactly like the one from Birch Lane, but it only cost me about $4 to create. I did use a spool of thread to anchor this in, and it did not hold, so you'll see later in the video I also used some of the tower game blocks from Dollar Tree that look like Jenga blocks. And here's where I went back and looked at my picture and decided to paint the sails gold, and I used this metallic gold paint. Sorry about the lighting here, guys. I'm not sure what happened, but I did paint the stick gold as well as the sails, and these are just little picture hangers that I'm going to use, and I'm trying to paint those gold as well. Now I did paint the spool of thread gold, and I am going to super glue and hot glue it to the tray. This did work until I put the flag on, and then it started pulling away, so you'll see in the end how I ended up securing it. And I have attached one of the sails. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, but I will record and show you how I attach the other one. I'm taking one of the little picture hangers, and I'm using the super glue and hot glue and some pliers and just trying to tighten it up around that wooden dowel. And then I'm using a hole puncher to punch a hole in the sail. And then I will use some twine to tie these on. It was kind of tough punching those holes through. My hole puncher got stuck, and anyway, I made it work in the end. Now I'm taking the twine, I'm tying it in a knot around here, and then I'll attach the sail. And here's where the trouble began. It started coming off and it was just a nightmare. But I did end up fixing it in the end. I thought it was going to stay up, but no, I had to do something else. And now if you'll notice, the sails are closer to the bottom. I went back and looked at the picture and realized that I had them up too far. So I had to take it back apart, cut the stick down, and now I'm taking some twine and I'm just hot gluing to the back of the sail and then to the back of the tray because I didn't have anything to put on this to create some little rings. And now I'm taking the two pieces that came off of the sign that I used for the sails, and I'm just going to hot glue those to the bottom. And then I'll also use some more Jenga blocks to make a little base for the boat. I'll be doing 2 sets of 4, and then I'll hot glue those to the bottom of those other wooden pieces I just put on there. And now I'm going in with some antique stain to just give these wood blocks a little bit of color. And I also went around the edges of the boat and then just a little bit in the middle just to give it an aged appearance. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tonight. Thank you, Yami and Casey, for hosting the challenge this month. And as always, if you are a subscriber, I do appreciate your support so much. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you. As always, guys, like, share, and comment. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.